My journey in NMDC has been excellent. It's a very good company with a very good work culture. Whatever it may be, the people are very dedicated to the production, productivity, and profitability. As you are all aware that the major mines are situated in the Bailadila region of Dantewara district. It has two projects, one Bacheli and one Kirandul. Kirandul is the oldest project, then came Bacheli, and then another iron mine was developed in the Donimalai in the Bellary district of Karnataka. We have a diamond mine also in the Panna district at a place called Majgama. NMDC is one of the mining company which is working in one of the toughest regions as far as my knowledge, because though a lot of mineral companies are operating in very rural areas, but Dantewada, as we all know, that is the toughest region in the country for the last 2 decades because of some Naxal activity. And its workers, its officials, its management had been very efficiently working in this region, avoiding any conflict with the Naxals. One of the reasons of our stability there and our growth there is we have been very aggressive in corporate social responsibility and development of that area. We have been providing a scholarship to at least 20,000 youth of the entire Bastar region, not only in Dantewada, entire Bastar region, that is Sukma, Bijapur, Dantewada, Narayanpur, Jagdalpur. We have developed a lot of roads in the Bastar region. We have contributed in development of so many schools, so many community centers. We have contributed in development of the one education city in the area called Gidam, in between Dantewada and Jagdalpur. There we have polytechnic, we have ITI institutions run by NMDC. So in this way, a lot of contributions, a lot of presence there in the society of the Bastar region. We are providing free medical facility to the neighboring district, all tribals, free of cost. These things have made our presence very comfortable, and we are recognized as a highly welfare organization that takes care of the local people. This makes our production activity, our operations hurdle free. There are few instances, of course, few unpleasant instances, of course, of some Naxal activity, but that we have not lost any human being as far as NMDC employees are concerned, though we have lost some CSF personnel, and we have their symbolic gesture, we have lost some of our equipments due to fire and all, but no human loss of NMDC by any Naxal operation there. And we have never filled any deterrence. We have always recovered very fast for any other setback that has been done to us by the Naxals. NMDC is a very profitable organization. It is also taking care of the welfare of its own employees also. We have been best salary provider in the entire corporation, entire country, I can say, entire country. We have been best social security provider to employees as comparison to the other PSU. So in this way, I can say that NMDC is a very good organization, excellent organization as far as the Government of India PSUs are concerned. And in spite of working in a very rural region, our profits are very good. Even COVID times were very hard times for all manufacturing and other type of industries, but being in mining, we have been, of course, we taking care of the all protocol for the COVID issued by government from time to time. We have put our best efforts to do our job, do our mining, so that ki mining operations are not disrupted, and we can uninterruptedly provide iron ore to the steel industry, because once iron ore is not given to the steel industry, it may be forced to shut down, and that may cause a lot of economic setback to the steel industry. We are provider of iron ore to RINL and many other sponge iron unit in Chhattisgarh. So in that way, we have been doing very well